Most organizations will be reliant on video conferencing to maintain a normal working environment during the current coronavirus pandemic. Given the current situation of the coronavirus pandemic, the need to utilize remote working tools like video conferencing has become paramount to business continuity. In normal circumstances, video conferencing can save travel time and increase productivity, thus it has been increasingly changing the business world significantly. Now the impact of the technology will be felt like never before. This technology can range from free social software such as Skype, professional cloud-based conferencing like EasyTalks to dedicated room-based telepresence like Cisco, etc. No matter what technology it adopts, it is imperative to make use of conferencing best practice in order to have a productive video conference, and here are our 10 best tips for effective video conferencing. Number 1. Make sure to have a stable internet connection. The most important aspect of video conferencing happens to be stable as well as fast internet connectivity. Once the connection is slow, it will affect the conference adversely with visual disruption and inconsistent audio. When you are using your laptop, make sure to adopt a LAN cable that will help guarantee a stable internet connection. Go for a secure connectivity along with advanced encryption and password protection in case your only choice is wireless connectivity. Number 2. Select a good video conferencing software. A top quality video conferencing software such as EasyTalks Cloud Meeting will aid in proper business communication. It is possible to download this type of application for free, which will help maximize the virtual conference for higher business returns. Remember to get the latest version of the software and make sure it is stable and compatible with your OS, so that you can have smooth video collaboration during the conference. Number 3. Dress properly. Keep in mind that it is a formal setting and therefore dress accordingly. Being the representative of your organization, you should not act and dress that will jeopardize the prestige of your company. Wearing too many multicolored outfits is not recommended during a video conference. Number 4. Send an agenda prior to the conference. It is imperative to include an agenda for the meeting along with the meeting invitation. This will enable the guests to understand the reason why they have been invited, and also they will be able to prepare appropriately. Distributing a material via email or in the office will also be a smart idea. Number 5. Keep time zones in mind. It is quite common to have participants from different countries, considering the fact that the world has become globalized. Make sure to pick a time that will work for everyone involved. It is very important to keep time zones in mind, particularly when you are sending calendar invitations. Selecting the incorrect time zones will cause confusion and will affect the productivity of the conference adversely. Number 6. Get rid of any distraction. Prior to the meeting, make certain that there is no obstacle in the line of sight of camera which can distract the other participants. Also, make sure that your cell phone is kept in the silent mode during the conference. Number 7. Be acquainted with video conference features. Try to eliminate any background noise while the conference is going on, which should also minimize any echo from the microphone. Moreover, make it a point to inform the participants how to mute as well as unmute the microphone, and ensure that all of them are making use of these features. Number 8. Never speak at the same time. It becomes really challenging when there are lots of guests in the same conference. You need to practice patience and refrain from speaking while others are expressing themselves. It is suggested for the host on hold his queries until the end so that everybody gets an opportunity to voice their opinions. It is up to the host to manage the conference in order to make it successful. Number 9. Select and appreciate venue. As a matter of fact, some conferences deserve a more professional setting. It is suggested to make use of a dedicated conferencing room with high-end video conferencing equipment, particularly if you are dealing with a new customer, or you might even book a room in order to generate a most reassuring environment. Number 10. Get a uniform illumination environment. A vital aspect of any successful video meeting will be proper illumination with minimal glare. Poor lighting could leave your audience in the dark. Go for natural illumination, however make certain that it will not distract the participants on the opposite side. Furthermore, ensure that there is adequate lighting for the camera. Try to avoid extremely powerful bulbs and utilize a fluorescent light instead. Conclusion. At present, an increasing number of organizations are resorting to video conference, and as a result, the workers must be prepared for this type of meetings. Try to keep the above mentioned video conferencing do's and don'ts in mind to make your subsequent video conference successful, which will help increase the efficiency of the meeting and also avoid any unreasonable situation.